Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing a weekly review of the trades I took from January 2nd to January 3rd. Let's get right into it. I started trading at 7 o'clock, and before 7 o'clock I marked out the range price was trading in at, and I waited for price to break above that range, retrace back into the tops of that range, and that's where I took my first trade, which was at 410, got myself out at 420. It was a 10-point trade, very good and successful trade. Now I'm looking for my second trade, and I know that price is trading in this range again, so I'm waiting for the same thing I did in the previous trade. I was waiting for a breakout and retracement, and that's exactly what happened here. And I took my trade in at 380 and went all the way down to 370. That's where I took myself out. It was because it was the low of the previous range before. And yeah, those were the two trades I took on that day. The reason why I played this system, is it was a very volatile day. So you're gonna have ups and downs on that day. But I got my 20 points of profit, and let's move on to the next day. Here is the first trade of January 3rd, which is the second trading day. And as you can see, it does take me out for a loss of 10 points. The reason why it took me out for the loss of 10 points is because I took the trade way too early. I didn't let my system play out. So that was basically it. The only reason why I lost 10 points is I took the trade way too early. Here is the second trade of January 3rd, the second trading day. And as you can see, I got in on the trade on time. And when I got in on time, it actually took me out for a positive 10 points, which I was supposed to get in where I got in on the second trade, not on the first trade where I got in way too early. But this is the uh, entry point I was supposed to get in at. And as you can see, it worked beautifully. I got my 10 points. So I made up for the loss on the previous trade, and that is the second trade of the day. Here is my spreadsheet on day points and trades. So January 2nd, I took 20 points for two trades. January 3rd, I got 0 points for two trades, broke even that day. And that is basically the weekly recap. I'm positive 20 for that week. I'm happy with what I did and where I'm at the end of the week. Just need to improve better, need to focus more, and need to just continue refining and continue learning and backtesting my system on the weekends and times I'm not trading. So that's basically it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.